Okay. Okay, let me clip right there. That's a necessity.
One note clip.
Goes a lot easier when you have one of those trim popper thingies.
Yeah.
If you ain't got it, screwdriver and hope for the best.
Or just go out and buy one.
Yeah, you can go out and buy a trim popper.
And that obviously just falls off.
Is that what it's actually called, a trim popper?
Yeah, it's a trim remover tool.
Trim remover tool, okay.
These are called Christmas tree fasteners.
Are they really called Christmas tree fasteners?
Yeah. They're for one-time use, as you can see how buggered up they get.
Yeah, pretty buggered. Whatever, we'll put them back in.
And as you can see, some bozo.
Was that held in there with zip ties?
No zip ties here. But somebody hit something at some point and...
Things got a little shimmied up. Things got a little shimmied up.
We don't need to take that one out.
Hey?
These are 7mm.
7mm.
These are my new tools I bought the other day too.
Oh, they're black. Nice.
Yeah, 7mm.
7mm.
And because that's broken.
Was it just the one, or is there two?
Well, there's two, but this one was broken.
Ah, the upper one's broken, so yeah. Yeah, you can see. Broken.
Save that piece, glue it on, put this on eBay for $4,000.
Because BMW.
Well, it'll glue back on there.
Yeah, you can probably epoxy that on.
No clip, I guess. It just slides off.
Yeah, apparently so.
And that's pretty...
filthy and crusty.
Maybe it could be cleaned up.
You can probably clean it, but blah. It's nasty.